Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Snapchat story publicly. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your Snapchat application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. After that, tap on your profile picture icon from the top left corner of your screen and then scroll all the way down. You'll get the section of My Story, which is indicating public, friends, followers, and everyone. Go ahead and select this plus icon. Now, take a photo or video that you want to upload to your story. Select the one photo or video that you want to share and tap on My Story indicating public in the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll be done. After a few seconds, the photo will be added to your story. Now go ahead and refresh your Snapchat application and go to My Story Public and you'll be able to view the story that you've just posted. And if you want to go ahead and delete it, tap on the three dots in the top right and then select delete and tap on delete again to confirm and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.